Okay guys, so going to get back into this tutorial. Took me a while to figure out the issue, but originally I was right, it was the encoder, and all it didn't really like being spoon-fed it, which is great when you're trying to build a program that you need to do what you want it to. But what we did wrong here was if we define a bit better of a file like TMP, if we hit enter here, it should solve all our issues. I'm hoping it does. No encoder or bed characters selected. Raw outputting. Now, what I'm actually going to do, so I'm going to bring in some bad characters just to replicate everything I did on the computer that got it to work. But I don't see this doing a world of difference, because in my system it actually, yep. So that's the thing, with the bad characters in there, it's set up and it's found which version it actually wants to do it as, and it's found the correct version. I mean, you can go to computer, file system, and TMP, and here it is. Now, yeah, we can't really do anything with any of this stuff, but what we're going to do is we are going to hop on to the Metasploit framework console. Okay, so commands do we run? That's right, use exploit. So yeah, this is our first real taste of an exploit. It's not a really good one, but multi-handler. Let's hit enter. Okay, so we're using a handler exploit. I want to show the options. Now currently we have a wildcard target. Now what we want to do is we want to set the payload as the Windows shell reverse underscore TCP, and hit enter. It's telling us that we have actually selected it. That's what this line means here for those of you that don't know. And then we're going to show the options again. Okay, so at the moment we don't have a local host. So what we're going to do is we're going to set the local host as 10.0.2.15. I'm hoping this is the correct one. And we'll set the local port as port 321. And now we'll just show the options again. So as you can see, our changes have taken place. Now, this might have removed the actual need for us to lots of encryptions. Not too sure what I've done there. Hoping nothing, but yeah, so basically I'm not sure, it might have removed the need for actually putting the stuff in the file that we did wind up creating. Now what we want to do is we want to exploit. Now this is meant to run through a few commands, hasn't really, and before, but basically what it's meant to do is meant to handle a binding to localhost 000, do all that, but hasn't, and it's going to take a while if it ends up doing it, because I haven't actually set up this host. But aside from that, that's all that we were going to start with, and we'll move on next time, hopefully see if we can get everything working well. So I'm going to kill this, back and exit. Now I just want to run a couple of, I want to run the Venom. Okay, make sure that this massive encryption we saw up top. Yeah, so I'm not too sure what all that jumbled mess was before, but it doesn't appear to have any issue. I'm not going to be able to run the payload handler all night on my other computer either, so we'll just move on and try to set up some more exploits soon that we can actually test. Doesn't really work well when I don't have a system to actually test it on though. So good luck and see you later.